Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Catherine and today we're going to talk about Moon Palace Cancun. I'm going to give you a resort overview with all the information. You can see it right from above. Let's go. Moon Palace Cancun is one of the largest all-inclusive resorts in Mexico. The property is just about 15 minutes from the Cancun International Airport, making it one of the closest big resorts to the city. Moon Palace is divided into three main sections: Sunrise, Nizuc, and the Grand. In this video, I'll give you a full overview with a closer look at Sunrise, which is where I stayed. Together, Moon Palace has more than 2,000 rooms, over 20 restaurants, multiple pools, 2 spas, a golf course, and endless entertainment options. Because it's so massive, you'll see golf carts and lobby-to-lobby shuttles running between the sections. Just keep in mind you can't call a car to pick you up. Instead, you'll need to wait at designated spots. Sunrise is the largest and most lively section of Moon Palace with over 1,300 rooms. Here you'll find the biggest pools, there's daily entertainment, the flow rider, surf simulator, and a splash zone for younger kids. It's a great choice if you're traveling with children, if you want easy access to activities. My adult kids who are 18 and 21 even enjoy the free activities like the paddle boarding, volleyball, and the surf simulator. Sunrise also has multiple restaurants and bars to choose from, plus quick poolside service, and the food at the pool was very good. Nizuc is slightly smaller with about 700 rooms, and it offers a calmer vibe while still being family friendly. Personally, this ended up being my favorite area. It has 6 restaurants and 4 bars, beautiful pools with cushion loungers, and service felt a little quicker here. It's the perfect spot if you want a balance between relaxation and still being close to the Sunrise action. Grand is the luxury upgrade. It has about 1,300 rooms, it has 16 restaurants, 11 bars, its own water park, a bowling alley, and upgraded entertainment, and there's also a club here. It's definitely the most expensive of the 3 sections, but many guests say that the exclusivity, luxury dining, and extra amenities make it worth. Across all 3 sections, you'll find live music, nightly shows, a world-class spa, and golf course. The resort also hosts seasonal events like the 4th of July beach celebration, which honestly, it was the highlight of my stay. I'll share more details about that in my full review. So here's my quick take. The property is stunning and the pools are definitely the highlight of this resort. Families with kids will love it and have plenty to do. On the downside, it's huge, so expect a lot of walking. Food and drink were a hit or miss for us, and it's not always easy to figure out what's going on. So I highly recommend downloading the resort app. There's where you'll find activities, restaurant menus, and even the dress code. So the app is very helpful, but on the property, I just kind of felt that it wasn't. Remember, this is a family-friendly resort, and there is a lot of children here. So I wouldn't call it the perfect honeymoon spot, and if you're older, keep in mind there's a lot of walking, so just a lot of things to consider. Overall, this is a beautiful resort. I was very happy with my stay. Just want to give you guys an overall of all the pros and cons. Also, if the beach is important to you, keep in mind the water here was very brown and it had a strong seaweed smell. It's something to consider if you're a true beach person. I love the beach, but it's not a deal breaker for me. Honestly, all the resorts I've been in Mexico, I quite never had luck with a great beach, because usually in the Riviera Maya, it's not known for beautiful beaches. It's more down towards the hotel zone. But when looking at resorts like this, where you want a lot of amenities, a big property, it's like you gotta give or take. But this is the resort that I have been with the worst beach so far. It was extremely brown. I will attach here so you can see how bad it was. And after I was there, people were saying that this is just an all year thing. In my next video, I'll be sharing my full in-depth review of Sunrise and Nizuc, everything we did, including the food, drinks, the service, how was the beach, how was the pool, everything we did day by day. So be sure to subscribe if you want all the details before booking. I also started a Facebook group called All Inclusive Travel Talk, where we share tips, packing lists, and resort info. So if that sounds helpful, check the link in the description and join us there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.